In this, let us try to derive an expression for time period of a pendulum, which is written over here. So let us say that this time period is dependent upon the length of the pendulum. See, what is a pendulum? This is a pendulum. Okay, it oscillates. So you are trying to find a time period. Now this time period, let us say it is dependent on physical parameters length and acceleration due to gravity. It is given. Okay, by doing some experiment you have arrived at a conclusion that this time period of a pendulum is dependent upon L and acceleration due to gravity, and we are trying to arrive at a dimensional formula. So I will write as, and it is also known that as this length and gravity are the only parameters which are influencing the time period. So let us say I write it as time period T is equal to some L power A and G power B. This AB I don't know, I am trying to find out. Okay, now acceleration due to gravity means this is basically an acceleration. What is acceleration? What is the unit? It is velocity by time, or meter per second square is the unit. So what is the dimension? Meter is in L, second square means T power minus 2. So the G's dimensional formula will be L T power minus 2. So L power A into L T power minus 2 to the power of B. Okay, so if I simplify this, L power A into L power B into T power minus 2B, or it is L power, sorry, this is L power B, not L power A. Okay, so this is L power A plus B into T power minus 2B is equal to T power. Now the next step would be the powers, each parameter on the left hand side and the right hand side should be matched. So can I write this T as T power 1 L power 0 is equal to L to the power of A plus B and T to the power of minus 2B. So the power of T can be matched correspondingly, and the power of 0, the power of L can be matched correspondingly. So power of T is 1 here and minus 2B here. So minus 2B is equal to 1, or B is equal to minus half. And similarly A plus B will be equal to 0. Power of L I am matching. So here I am getting B is equal to minus A, but B is equal to minus half. So A will be equal to plus half. So I am trying to say that T is proportional to, let us say, L power half and G power minus half. So it means T is proportional to L by root over L by G. So this is the relationship between the physical parameters length and acceleration due to gravity and the time period of a pendulum. But here, to derive the actual formula, there is a constant of proportionality 2 pi, which we cannot obtain just by doing a dimensional analysis. It only gives us the interrelationship between the physical parameters and not the complete solution. So dimensional analysis also has some limitations. However, it is for arriving at dimensional formulas and checking whether the formula is correct or not, dimensional analysis is very useful.